to start writing JavaScript, or before we can start writing JavaScript, there's three big questions. And these three big questions relate to the big how. How do we write it? And by that, I literally mean, where do we actually type words? 2, how does the source code convert to machine code? How do you get your JavaScript to be converted to machine code? And the last question is how to execute your JavaScript. So going on to the first question, which is relatively easy, all you have to do is recall that source code is just text. So all this means is you can pretty much write your JavaScript in any text editor. You can write it in Word, you can write it in Notepad, or anything else that suits your fancy. The important point to remember is that you can write JavaScript anywhere. Moving on to the second question is, how does source code convert into machine code? Is this something you need to be concerned about as a programmer? Well, I believe it's good to understand it. Like I said, I've got a firm philosophy in understanding the basics before, diving into the more complicated stuff. So yes, I do think it's important for you to understand how your JavaScript is converted into machine code. Well, in order for me to tell you that, you need to understand the difference between compiling and interpreting.